buggy, here they come. In the jingly jangly jungle, the noisy lion roars. In the jingly jangly jungle, with my friends and yours. Humpty, Dumpty, Rocky, rah rah. Debbie, ooh ooh, rah rah, rah rah. It's the jingly jangly jungle noise, rah rah. It's the jingly jangly jungle noise, rah rah.
Welcome to the Jingly Jangly Jungle, the noisiest jungle of them all.
La 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 la. La la la
That sounds like Raas. Can you see him?
la la. Ta-da!
Ah, hello, Raas. What's in the box?
Presents.
Really? Who are they for?
I've decided to give all my friends the perfect present.
That's very kind. How did you know what to get?
I just thought about what my friends like best. I can't wait to deliver them. To the cubby buggy! Perfect presents make a perfect day. Perfect presents in every way. Hi, Crocky. Hi, Rara. What are these? Presents for everyone. I've got the perfect present for you, Crocky. Here. Oh, how exciting! I wonder what it is. It's Clippy Cloppy Coconuts! Oh, perfect! Thank you, Rara. You're welcome. I'm going to give everyone else their presents now. Bye! Bye, Rara. Huh? This isn't Clippy Cloppy Coconuts. This goes toot, not Clippy Clop. Perfect presents make a perfect day. Perfect presents in every way. Hi, Huffy. Hi, Rara. Ooh. What's in your trailer? Presents for everyone. Here's yours, Huffy. Woohoo! I love presents. I wonder what it is. It's a hooty horn. A hooty horn? Perfect. Thanks, Rara. No problem. I've got to take presents to all my other friends now. Bye, Huffy. Bye, Rara. Huh? This isn't a hooty horn. This goes clickety-clack, not hoot. Perfect presents make a perfect day. Perfect presents in every way. Hi, Topsy. Hi, Zebby. Oh, hello, Rara. What's in your trailer? Presents for everyone. I love presents. Me too. Here's yours, Topsy. And here's yours, Zebby. This looks exciting. What is it? What is it? That's a clickety-clackety rattle. And that's a shiny new conch shell. Oh, wow! Perfect! Thank you, Rara. That's okay. I've got one more present to deliver. Bye! Thank you, Rara.
Oh, this isn't a conch shell. It goes clippy-clop, not foo. And this isn't a clickety-clackety-rattle. It goes boingety-boing, not clickety-clack. Perfect presents make a perfect day. Perfect presents in every way. Roar! Hi, Oo-oo! Hi, Ra-Ra! Just a moment. Hooray! Woohoo! Oh, what's in your trailer? A present for you. Woohoo! For me? I love presents. What is it? Tell me, tell me, tell me. It's a boingy drum. You're going to love it. Huh? This isn't a boingy drum. It goes foo, not boingity boing. What? You were supposed to get the boingy drum. Oh no! I wanted to give you a perfect present. It is a very nice shell, Ra-Ra. But it's not a boingy drum. I got it wrong. I'm sorry, Oo-oo.
Did you deliver all your presents, Ra-Ra?
Yes, but Oo-oo got the wrong present. I gave him the conch shell. Oh no!
What's wrong, Ra-Ra?
Zebby was supposed to get the conch shell. That means I gave her the wrong present too. That's a hooty horn. Crocky, you got the wrong present. Oh no! Topsy, you got the wrong present too. Oh, everyone got the wrong presents. Oh no. I wanted to give you all the perfect present, but I must have mixed them up. Don't worry, Ra-Ra. We could always mix the presents back up again. Yes, watch. Ah, these are perfect clippy-cloppy coconuts. A perfect hooty horn. Perfect boingy-boingy drums. Perfect. Thanks for all our perfect presents, Ra-Ra.
Looks like everyone got the perfect present after all. Well done, Ra-Ra. I can hardly hear you roar above all that noise.
Oh, what about you, Ra-Ra? You need a present too. Yes, we want you to join in too. I can roar, but we can't hear you with all our noisy presents. Oh, yes, we can. Thanks, Hufty. The perfect present for me. Thank you.
Now Ra-Ra has the perfect present too. Something to make his roar even louder. Yes, the jingly-jangly jungle is definitely the noisiest jungle of them all. Bye! See you soon!